Hello everyone. We are continuing the same unit, The World Around Us, and today we will go with the chapter number 6. And the name of the chapter is Sacred Symbol. Students, as you can see on the screen, that there are so many symbols given, like Om, 13, there is a wheel, there is a star and moon, there is a plus sign. So today we will discuss that what is the meaning of these symbol. These all are the religious symbol. ये सभी धार्मिक चिन्ह हैं. इन धार्मिक चिन्हों के बारे में today we will know. Okay, so we will take one by one. The first symbol is related with Hinduism. Om is the symbol of the Hindus. ये हिंदुओं का एक चिन्ह है. It is believed to be the visual depiction of the cosmic sound from which everything originates. It is believed that this Om have a sound. इस Om में एक sound है, and this is a cosmic sound. Cosmic sound means the sound who has created the whole world and entire universe. पूरे वर्ल्ड और यूनिवर्स को बनाने वाला साउंड का नाम माना जाता है ओम. एंड दिस सिंबल इज द सिंबल ऑफ दैट कॉस्मिक साउंड, एंड दिस सिंबल इज रिलेटेड विद हिंदूज. नेक्स्ट इज द हियर इट इज गिवन द स्किल्स बट नॉट स्किल्स, द सिक्स. ये गलत एक वर्ड है, स्किल आपको नहीं लेना है इसको. दिस इज सिख. ओके, wait, I am writing on the screen. SIKH, Sikh. Okay, in the place of skills you will use Sikh, what I have written on the screen. Okay, the Sikh use this symbol of symbol of Ek Omkar, means this symbol identify the Ek Omkar. एक ओमकार को ये आइडेंटिफाई करता है, which means God is one, जिसका मतलब होता है कि भगवान एक हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द धर्म चक्र. This dharma chakra is related with the Buddhism, means the Buddhist people use this sacred wheel, dharma chakra, to create their faith in Buddhism. Okay, next is the crescent moon and a star together. There you can see that crescent moons means the half moon, and there is a star. एक यहाँ पर सितारा है और एक चंद्रमा है, and this symbol is related with the Turkey people, and this is called this is the symbol of the people who related with the Binjanitum. Okay, here it is given, the people who worship for Vinjanitum, they use these symbols. Okay, and you can also find this symbol in Islamic culture. आप इस सिंबल को इस्लामिक कल्चर में भी खोज सकते हैं. Now moving to the next symbol. The next symbol is the crucifix. It's a crucifix, and this is related with the Christianity. ये क्रिश्चियन धर्म से जुड़ा हुआ सिंबल है, and this symbol means the new life from the suffering condition. Okay, and this symbol also creates the love among the everyone's heart. So this plus sign, you can see in this plus sign is related with Christianity, means the Christian religion. Now moving to the next sacred, the sacred cauldron of fire is related with the Zoroastrianism. I am repeating this word. Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism is a symbol. This is a sacred fire. Here you can see the fire is burning in this symbol. और ये जो है Zoroastrianism धर्म से जुड़ा हुआ symbol है. And the last symbol is, here you can see that the menorah is the common symbol of Judaism. Okay, there are so many candles. ये सारे candles यहाँ बने हुए हैं और ये candles indicates the day-to-day life and the 7 days of the life. Okay, here you can see that the 7 candles, and if wait, I am zooming this. Here you can see that the 4 and 4, 8 candles are there, and these candles are reflecting the life among the whole day. Okay, so this is the chapter number 6. I will give you one more video related with chapter number 7. Okay, this is enough for the today's class, and next chapter is your homework. Like, you will do this chapter. आप इस chapter को करेंगे, अपने कॉपी पर notes बनाएंगे, like Galapagos Island, Great Barrier Reef, Ayers Rock, and one more page is there. Yeah, this is page. The Easter Island, Pompeii, and Gully landscapes. आप इन सारे major points का notes बनाएंगे, and one more page is your homework, which is the national anthem. You have to match the proper national anthem, that which country has which national anthem. जैसे हम लोग इसमें कोई भी national anthem लेंगे, जैसे इंडिया का national anthem है जन गण मन, same Bangladesh, the national anthem of Bangladesh is Amar Sonar Bangla. Like this way you will match. The national anthem of United Kingdom is God Save the Queen. Like this way you will match. You will find first that which country has which national anthem, and then you will match the countries with their respective national anthem. This 2 pages is your homework. Revise all the page and prepare the copy beautifully. Okay, have a nice day, enjoy learning. Goodbye.